2 marijuana stocks to watch in April. Risk is something that is quite common in the cannabis industry. Whether investing in the short or long term, cannabis stock investors usually encounter risk on a daily basis. Because of this, it can be a great tool to develop a strategy to stick with no matter what happens in the industry. Currently, marijuana stocks are taking a huge hit from the coronavirus. This pandemic has taken its toll on the whole stock market and not just pot stocks. But with so many companies in the cannabis industry, there are definitely some to choose that may be the right choice for more risk-averse investors. Some have stated that the cannabis industry as a whole could see as much as $70 billion in sales within the next 10 years. While much of this growth is going to hit the top of the industry, there is no doubt that it'll spread out across the market. Some of the less risky pot stocks to watch include ancillary companies and those with smaller roles in the market. Marijuana stock to watch. Alimentation Couche-Tard may come as a surprise on this list, as it is not a traditional pot stock in any sense of the word. Despite this, the company has been working to make its foray into the cannabis market. For those who don't know, Couche-Tard is the owner of the Circle K branded convenience stores. Last year, the company purchased a 10% stake in the cannabis retailer Fire & Flower. With this, it is stated that it will use its expertise in the retail market to help the latter grow substantially. The company as a whole has profits totaling more than $1 billion, which is more than any cannabis stock can say. Marijuana stock to watch number 2, a more obvious choice. GW Pharmaceuticals is tossed around a lot when considering a pot stock with less volatility than others. The company does not touch the raw cannabis plant, but rather it is a producer of various pharmaceutical drugs using cannabis compounds. A few years ago, it received FDA approval for its drug known as Epidiolex. The drug, which treats rare epilepsy disorders, has seen the mass appeal for its ability to work when other drugs don't. Although it does have some exposure to the cannabis market as a pharmaceutical company, primarily that exposure is very limited. Because of this, it seems like GW Pharmaceuticals could be a safer choice when looking for a pot stock to watch.